Hi guys, I'm here now in Akko, Israel. So I'm eating lunch here. So we have now hummus. So they serve a very good hummus. So tikman na natin guys, tikman na natin. We will try this hummus. And salad, and we have also some pita. It's pita bread, homemade. So we will try the hummus. Wow. Napakasarap ng hummus. Wow. Oh. Miod. Wow. Guys, the hummus in Akko, napakasarap. Super delicious. Wow. One of the best hummus I eat. So I will show you guys where is it in Akko. So I will show you the place where's this restaurant. This is the name of the restaurant, Hummus Fadi. So guys, so this is where this is outside, and this is the name of the restaurant. So that's it. This is the outside of the restaurant. So now I will continue to eat. See you later. Hi guys, and my dinner today is rice with chicken, then this one is lamb. This is the lamb. That's it guys. So later we eat again hummus. Napakasarap ng hummus nila. So try natin yung kanilang rice. Perfect. This is chicken, and this is lamb kebab. It's meat from lamb. So this is their specialty. Try natin guys ang kanilang wow. Talim yun. Wow. And you know guys, I only see zero in here. Look at this. They have a different kind of zero. Coca-Cola zero. So their Coke zero is different. The hummus, wow, it's perfect, perfect 10. They call it, this restaurant is Hummus Fadi.
יש לי רעיון ליאור, בואי נעלה לאוטו, ניסע ובדרך נעצור איפשהו, בואו נעלה. אני לא רוצה לעמוד, אני לא מפתח את זה.
The rice is very special. I eat now is chicken rice. We have olives. This one, wow, so spicy. We have these onions. I don't know what you call this, but it's good. Their zero is a limited edition. Oh, matbuka. Matbuka daw ang tawag nito. They call it matbuka. It's really good taste. Masarap. Lami kayo bay. Hello guys, I will finish my lunch and see you later in another video. Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. To this vlog, we are here in Akko, and we are here in one of the restaurant in Akko. We call it Hummus Fadi. And now I will make an interview for the owner of the restaurant. Is Mr. Fadi. So he will talk about how good his restaurant.
Yeah, the best hummus we make in here. The hummus fresh, the best. And we have meat, chicken, lamb, everything. Welcome.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, this is their kitchen. Guys, we are going here inside the Kannafi store. So this is the best Kannafi stores in Akko. You can come here and try their Kannafi. So here's this is a lot of their product. So I will try their Kannafi. Hi guys, we are now here in the shop of in Akko. So we are now here in the store of variety of dessert. So I tried their best selling dessert. We call it Kannafi. It's made from the goat cheese. So this is it. So we will try, guys, and we will see. It's fucking delicious. Masarap. Lami kayo. Wow. That's sweet. So if you love sweet food, sweet dessert, so try their best Kannafi here in Akko. To all my friends out there, if you will visit Akko, so try to go to their market. You can try their Kannafi. So this store is very known, so it's easy to find. Masarap, masarap.